This is a blister packaging machine, and this is a frozen water machine. And there are two wires behind the frozen water machine. One of the wire connects the frozen water outlets of the frozen water machine with the frozen water inlets of the blister packaging machine. And another wire connects the frozen water inlets of the frozen water machine with the frozen water outlets of the blister packaging machine.
There are 3 plug sockets at the side of the blister package machine. The right and the middle wires are respectively for frozen water inlet and frozen water outlet. Rotate the switches to open the inlet and outlets. The left wire is for the intake of compressed air. Rotate the switch and open this inlet. Turn on the power supply. Wait for the PLC touch screen to be activated.
This is the PLC control interface. We need to log in. There are 2 keys for language selection. One is English, and another one is for Chinese. We need to turn on the 3 function keys. They are upper heating, lower heating, and heat sealing temperature. We need to turn them on. The upper heating and lower heating refers to the processing station. And the heat sealing refers to the processing station.
Press the key moaning blowing to activate air blowing with the purpose of forming blisters. Repeatedly press the key traction air clamp to operate the traction station in drag mode for function inspection. Repeatedly press the key traction positioning to operate the traction positioning station in drag mode. Repeatedly press the key heat sealing to operate the heat sealing station in drag mode for function inspection. Set the traction length. Now you see a blister packed length is 95 mm, so set the traction length as 97 mm. With extra 2 mm leaving space for waste edges. Set the host frequency as 30 Hz. Press the key clear to clear the record of production output. Press and hold the key drag, and you can operate the machine in drag mode. Pressing and holding this red button can function the same as the key drag. The key start and the green button have the same function of starting the machine. The key drag functions the same as this red button. Pressing and holding this button can operate the machine in drag mode. Release the button, then the machine stops. The key start functions the same as the green button. Press the key start and you can start the machine operation. This red button also functions as stop. Press this red button and you can stop the operation. This is the emergency stop button. This button can stop the machine from operating. After pressing this button, the functions of start button and the key drag are disabled. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise to reset the machine, then you can start the machine. Before feeding plastic film into the blister package machine, repeatedly press this red button to operate the machine in drag mode, bringing down the forming station to the lowest point.
Now we need to install the plastic roll. Let's rotate this wheel anti-clockwise to fit this plastic film into this roller.
Push down this bar. If you see the plastic film lengthens as you push the bar, it shows that the film installation is correct. Rotate the wheel clockwise to tighten the plastic film. Feed the plastic film into the machine through the bars. Go on to feed the film into the machine. If the feeding meets blockage at the traction station, press the key Traction Positioning. Menu. Manual Interface. Traction Positioning to open the traction station. Go on to feed the plastic film.
Now we need to install the aluminum foil to this machine. And this is the installation diagram to show us how to install the aluminum foil.
After the plastic film feeding, you need to feed the aluminum foil into the machine. Press the three keys upper heating, lower heating, and heat sealing temperature. The temperature of heating plastic film should be set between 120 to 130 degrees, and the temperature of heat sealing station should be set between 150 to 180 degrees. Repeatedly press the red button to raise the heat sealing plate to the highest point. Press the keys Mode Blowing, Traction Air Clamp, Traction Positioning, and Heat Sealing. Then press the green button. If you see blisters are flattened at heat sealing station, press the red button to stop the machine. Press the red button to operate the machine in drag mode. Make the heat sealing plate ascend. Rotate the hand wheel to align blisters to cavities in the heat sealing plate. The heat sealing function will be activated as you press the green button to start the machine. If you see the batch code is not aligned on a blister pack, repeatedly press the red button to operate the machine in drag mode to lower the plate of indentation station. Rotate the hand wheel. Press the green button to start the machine. Now you see batch codes are aligned on blister packs.
This is a finished product. We can see the misalignment here on this blister pack. To address this issue, we need the adjustment at the cutting station.
Repeatedly press the red button to open the cutting station. Rotate the hand wheel for adjustment. Again, press the green button to start the machine. After the adjustment, there is no misalignment on a blister pack.
Now we can look at the covering of the aluminum foil. We can see this side is not covered by aluminum foil, but there is excessive aluminum foil at the other side. To address this issue,
rotate this roller anti-clockwise to loosen the aluminum foil and adjust the aluminum roll, then tighten screws. Press the green button to start the machine.
if you found the plastic film on the rail is asymmetrical, we need some adjustment on the positioning of the plastic film.